witch doctor I know in Kakongo had a strange professional method. When, by means of his hand rubbings, etc., he had got hold of a witch or a bewitched one, he always gave the unfortunate an emetic, and always found several lively young crocodiles in the consequence, and the stories of the natives in this region abound in accounts of people who have been carried off by witch crocodiles and kept in places underground for years. I often wonder whether this idea may not have arisen from the well-known habit of the crocodile of burying its prey on the bank. Sometimes it will take off a limb of its victim at once, but frequently it buries the body whole for a few days before eating it. The body is always buried if it is left to the crocodile. I have a most profound respect for the whole medical profession, but I'm bound to confess that the African representatives of it are a little empirical in their methods of treatment. The African doctor is not always a witch doctor in the bargain, but he is usually. Lady doctors abound. They are a bit dangerous in pharmacy, but they do not often venture on surgery, so on the whole they are safer, for African surgery is heroic. Dr. Nassau cited the worst case of it I know of. A man had been accidentally shot in the chest by another man with a gun on the Ogwe. The native doctor who was called in made a perpendicular incision into the man's chest, extending down to the last rib. He then cut diagonally across and actually lifted the wall of the chest and groped about among the vitals for the bullets, which he successfully extracted. Patient died. No anesthetic was employed. I came across a minor operation. A man had broken the ulna of the left arm. The native doctor got a very nice piece of bamboo, drove it in through the muscles and integrums from the wrist to the elbow, then encased the limb in plantain leaves and bound it round tightly and neatly, needless to say, with tie-tie. The arm and hand, when I saw it, some 6 or 7 months after the operation, was quite useless and was withering away.